A very good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine at home. Today we are discussing difficult words, MCQs, word meaning from chapter 10 from your book English Reader. I hope you all are understood the chapter 10 Granny's Fabulous Kitchen. Family and friends. Okay? Yes. Let us start. Listen it carefully. Okay? First of all, fabulous. First word is fabulous. 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 What is the spelling of fabulous? Fabulous. The next word is delicious. The next word is delicious. Okay, what is the meaning of delicious? Tasty, and its spelling is Delicious. Delicious. Okay, the next one is aromas. Aromas. Okay, aromas. M-A-S, mus. Aromas. Okay, pantry. 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 P-A-N-T-R-Y. Pantry. Kebab. K-A-B-A-B-S. What is the spelling of pantry? P-A-N-T-R-Y. Pantry. And its meaning is almirah for storing food. And aromas, its meaning is smell. And delicious, its meaning is tasty. The next word is chocolate. Spellings are chocolate. C-H-O-C-O-L-A-T-E. Chocolate. The next word is gulab jamun. The spellings are gulab jamun. G-U-L-A-B-J-M-U-N. Gulab jamun. The next word is appetite. A-P-P-E-T-I-T-E. Appetite. Its meaning is hungry, hunger. Manager. The spellings are manager. M-A-N. A. Manage. G-E-R. Manager. Professional. P-R-O. Profesh. F-E-S-S-I-O-N-A-L. Professional. Okay. I hope you all are understood these meanings. The next one is especially. E-S-P-E-C-I-A-L-L-Y. Especially. The next word is crazy. The next word is crazy. What is the spelling of crazy? C-R-A-Z-Y. Crazy. The 13th word is although. A-L-T-H-O-U-G-H. Although. Appreciated. Appreciate. What is the meaning of appreciate? Praise. Okay, appreciated. The spellings are appreciated. A-P-P-R-E-C-I-A-T-E-D. Appreciated. Okay. The next word is adventures. Spellings are adventures. A-D-V-E-N-T-U-R-O-U-S. Adventures. Okay. The next one is recipe. The spellings are recipe. R-E-C-I-P-E. Recipe. The next word is specialties. Specialties. First of all, special. Okay, very important. Its meaning is very important. Special one. Okay, specialties. The spellings are specialties. S-P-E-C-I-A-L-I-T-I-E-S. Okay, in this word ALI, here is also I. Okay, specialties. The next one is tremendous. 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 MENDOUS. Tremendous. The next word is praised. The spellings are praised. PRAISED. What is the spelling of praised? PRAISED. Praised. Okay. The next one is variety. Spellings are variety. 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 The next one is stuffing. The spellings are stuffing. 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 I hope you all are understood. Especially, crazy, although, appreciated, adventures, recipe, specialties, tremendous, praised, variety, stuffing. The first one is fabulous, delicious, aromas, penetrate, wow, chocolate, gulab jamun, appetite, manager, professional. Okay students, I hope you all are understood the difficult words. Okay, the next one is, I hope you all are understood the chapter number 10, Granny's Fabulous Kitchen. Okay, family and friends. Let us discuss about MCQs. Okay, if you are understood, if you have done your chapter and all the students clear this, then very easily the find answers, because I am making these questions from your chapter. Okay, where did the narrator's parents live? Okay students, if you remember the chapter's fourth passage, the fourth passage describes the about the narrator's parents. Okay, please give me answer. Where did the narrator's parents live? Assam, Chandigarh, Ooty. Where did the narrator's parents live? Yes, Assam. All the students know the father of the narrator is the manager of tea estate. Okay, that's why his parents lived in Assam. Okay, the next one is, who was Khana Sama? Okay, Khan Sama. Khan Sama. Okay, who was Khan Sama? Okay beta, please tell me. In the fifth passage describes the narrator, about the narrators. Narrators like to visit her grandmother, or they don't like to go, he don't like to go his own house. Okay, because his parents don't cook food in the home. Okay, and who's make a food for narrator's parents? Cook. Okay, what is the name of the cook? Yes, Khana Sama. Okay, Khan Sama. Okay, the first one is, who was Khan Sama? Cook. Who was Khan Sama? Cook. What was the name of the gardener? Okay, if you read the whole chapter, the sixth paragraph describes whose grandmother lived. Okay, Granny rarely at the same time was glad too. She did not enjoy cooking for herself. In the above paragraph describes there was a gardener, Kanta, who lived in a old house, and he had a son called Crazy. Okay, that's why. What is the name of the gardener? Miss K. Khansama. Yes, Kanta. Yes, the name of the gardener is Kanta. Is it clear? Yes. The next one is, yes The next one is food. Who cooked delicious food for the narrator? Okay, all the students clear this? Who cooked delicious food? कौन अच्छा खाना बनाता है नरेटर के लिए? कुक बनाता है, मदर बनाती थी या ग्रैनी बनाती थी? तो ग्रैनी इज द राइट आंसर. Is it clear? Who was made best mutton curry for narrator's parents? Okay, who was made बेस्ट मटन करी. अब जो मटन करी में कौन स्पेशल, किसकी स्पेशलिटीज थी ये? ओके, जैसे जो हमारी, हाँ, जो आपने चैप्टर पढ़ा है उसमें जो ग्रैंड मदर है वो बेस्ट रोस्ट डक बनाती है, उसकी वो स्पेशलिटीज हैं. तो मटन करी कौन सबसे अच्छी बनाता है? कौन बना रहा था उसमें? खान साहब. ग्रैनी बनाती थी, टी गार्डनर बनाता था, या खान साहब बना रहा था? Yes, the next word is what was the name? What was the narrator's father? Okay, what was the narrator's father? Means what was the narrator's father doing? Okay, an engineer थे वो, the manager of tea estate or the manager of reputed bank. Okay, the correct answer is B. Okay, yes, the manager of tea estate. Okay. The next one is yes. The next one is which of the following was one of Granny's specialties? Okay, I already told about this. Which was the Granny's specialties? Roast duck. Okay, which was the Granny's specialties? Roast duck. Okay, the right answer is A option. Yes. All the students know the last paragraph, when his grandma prepared the roast duck and the uncle came to narrator's house, and when looked down the roast duck, his glasses slipping down at the edge of his nose. Okay, because the dish looks very delicious. Okay, that time. 8. Why was the narrator less interested in staying with his parents? Okay, why was the narrator less? उसको क्यों पसंद नहीं था अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ रहना? Because he did not enjoy their company. क्या उनको उनकी कंपनी पसंद नहीं थी? ऐसी तो कोई बात नहीं थी. वहाँ पे भी बहुत, वो कहता है वहाँ पे भी मेरे को बहुत फंक्शन मिलता है, एंजॉय करता हूँ. उसने आपको 4th पैराग्राफ में ये डिस्क्राइब किया नरेटर ने. And the second one is because his parents could not cook. The third one is because his parents were strict. Okay, which is your right answer? Second one. Okay, yes, because his parents could not cook. Okay, the next one is what was Uncle Cain crazy about? Okay, Uncle Cain को सबसे ज़्यादा क्या पसंद था? टोमेटो सॉस, एप्पल सॉस, रोस्ट डक. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आपने पढ़ा है कि उनको सबसे ज्यादा क्या पसंद थी? एप्पल सॉस. यस, इन द लास्ट पैराग्राफ डिस्क्राइब व्हेन बोथ आर ऑन द टेबल. ओके, एंड अंकल केन वाज क्रेजी एप्पल सॉस and narrators loving all stuffing food and stuffing dishes. Yes, the next one is when did the narrator come to Granny's house? Okay, all the students know when the narrators come to Granny's house. Every summer, every winter, every rainy season. Okay, please tell me, वो कब आता था अपनी ग्रैंडमा के पास? ग्रैंडमा के घर कब आता था? तो वो इज द राइट आंसर इज एवरी विंटर. ओके, द लास्ट वन इज व्हाट इज द एक्चुअल मीनिंग ऑफ पेनेट्री? आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड अबाउट दिस in the first lecture when you read the chapter, and today also I am told about this. What is the meaning of penetrate? Okay, an almirah is the right answer. And an almirah used for storing food or roasting. Which is your right answer? Pantry is the actual meaning of an almirah used for storing food. Is it clear? Yes, exactly. This one is your right answer, B. Okay, now I hope you all are understood MCQs. Now we are going to discuss word meaning. Okay, the first one is pantry. I hope you all are understood what is the meaning of pantry. An almirah used for storing food. Appetite, hunger. The third one is oath house. What is the meaning of oath house? A small building outside the main building. Okay, outhouse. Sorry beta, outhouse. Okay, the next one is specialties. What is the meaning of specialties? A special interest or skill. Okay, the next one is tremendous. Okay, what is the meaning of tremendous? Very large or great. The next one is glad. What is the meaning of glad? Happy. Okay students, I hope you all are understood the difficult words and the pronunciation all these words. Okay, and the MCQs, word meanings. Okay, I am sending your work through WhatsApp. All the students write given work on your peer notebook. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.